everything that I went over to select the checklist. For real, watching the video right here, Rita Dono. But I also wanted to touch on this topic right here. I'm going to be going for another one. Good morning everybody. Welcome back to another video. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Andre Diaz. And today, it is Saturday. It's 4:20 and I have some news for you guys. So stay tuned to the end of the video. But right now it's 9:30 and we're about to get started with this VIP session. We do an educational session every single weekend. So even though the markets are closed, I like to go over concepts, mindset, and anything that's going to help them become a better trader, better entrepreneur in general. So I got it started up. We got about 8 people already joined up. It's not as many people are going to join a lot of the times. More people join the live sessions because they're going to make money. But the people that show up to these sessions, they're the ones that are actually going to be fully successful because they're going to get the full value and they're going to actually get everything they need. But this isn't going to be the last, so let's just get straight to it. Let's get into the team and let's give this value. I'm going to start their weekend off right. Honestly, I kind of wish I did record a little bit more of that. But in reality, it is what it is. It was one of those sessions where I gave great value. Great value. I said this the last session. I thought that was my best session. This was honestly probably, I wouldn't say better because I went over concepts that I don't necessarily use on a daily basis. But it was a great session. I ain't gonna lie. I gave the value. It was probably only maybe 13, 14 people there at a time. But those 13, 14 people, I promise you, got the value. And look, just like that. Good session, be safe, gang. Now you be safe too. See, let the people show you how this should be. Let them talk for us. I went over a couple concepts. Like, for example, I went over big figure levels. I went over, like, for example, I could just show you guys everything that I went over. This is like the checklist that I had for them. I like to get a checklist of everything to go over. And we surprisingly got through everything. It took a little bit more than an hour. I didn't want it to be longer than an hour. Probably took maybe like an hour 15, hour 10, if that. But it was a great session at the end of the day. I love these sessions. These are the things that keep me going because at the end of the day, I'm not getting paid for that hour 15 that I just gave to them because essentially the VIP is just live trading. This is just additional. This is something that I'm actually just doing for them to make sure that they get their 1000% money's worth. Every single month, just with $50 for the VIP, you're getting 4 sessions just like that. That's already 10 times the value. And the people that actually show up, they could say that for you. I don't gotta sell it. I'll let the results do the speaking. But with that being said, we about to continue our day, staying productive as possible. And it sounds like they out there fucking mowing the grass or something, but we about to just get productive. I don't know where I'm gonna head next. It's still a little bit early. Probably head to the gym. Probably get some work done on the computer. Wherever we're at, I'm gonna bring you with me as always. All right, hopefully everything is nice and focused and everything, but we at the gym. We about to get this full body workout on. We do this every single day, full body. Yes, my body be sore for the people that be asking. But what? I ain't no bitch. Are you a bitch? Maybe you a bitch, but I hope you're not. But we about to get this. Yesterday I started this workout with shoulders. I usually do shoulder press and everything with the kettlebell, but I'm gonna be killing shoulders today. I am gonna be doing, I'm not even sure what these are called, but shoulder workout. I'm gonna be doing shoulder press, push-ups. I'm gonna be doing some tricep, maybe a little bit of chest. I might hit a little bit of chest press. Not really sure. We're gonna hit squats, leg curls, do our calves, and yeah, that's gonna be our today's workout. It might take us about 30 minutes or so, but we're gonna get it done. And I have a couple of concepts we're gonna be talking about involving daily habits and what I'm gonna be stopping. But without further ado, let's get this workout on and let's stop being little skinny little bitches. All right, so we back in the crib right now. We about to roll up some stuff, and this is gonna lead into the topic of today's video. So for the people that came to yesterday's video, I appreciate you for being here again. But yesterday, as you know, we talked about the importance of having great daily habits and that your daily habits are gonna really decide your future. They're gonna be the determining factor on where you are in 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. And me personally, one of my bad habits that we all know is what I'm about to do right now, which is smoke. And one of the things that I've told myself for a long time is smoking doesn't negatively affect me. Smoking doesn't do much negative because it's all a mindset. But at the end of the day, I know that there's other people that look up to me. There's people that look at what I do and think, since he can make money, since he could trade, since he could do all these things and smoke, why can't I? And it's true. Your logic, I can see why you think that, because that's something that I would personally think if I was someone watching a YouTube video. Also, if somebody can make a lot of money and can be successful doing all these bad things, is it really bad? Now, what you guys also got to keep in mind is I'm not all of you, and all of you aren't me. We're all our own people, and we're all very different. What makes me me doesn't determine what makes you you. The things that I'm able to do aren't ideally going to be the same things that you're going to be able to do. And that's something that you're able to do. And that's just what it comes down to. Now, what does that mean for me? Now, today is 420. Now, if you think I'm not going to smoke today, you're crazy. But I do have a little side note. Today may be the last day I smoke for a while. Now, I'm not saying last day I ever smoked, because I don't plan on ever really fully quit smoking weed, at least, because I could use it as a reward. Not all things can be used as negative things. There's billionaires, there's trillionaires that smoke cigarettes. There's billionaires and trillionaires that smoke cigars, that drink liquor. But it's all about how much you do it. And it's gotten to the point to where I feel as if I don't want to do anything that I don't want to put myself in environments where I'm doing something because I want to, not because I need to. And weed, I don't need to. It's something that I want to do. And if I can control the things that I want to do and can keep myself from doing the things that I want to do, I think that's going to allow me to really build discipline. Because one of the main reasons why I'm also thinking about quitting weed is because it's a discipline problem. Even if I say I would stop smoking, even if I say I want to stop, if I don't, it doesn't really mean nothing. And it's been a long time. I've smoked every day for a long time, probably going on 2-3 years. So I just think it's about that time to where take a little break, tolerance break, and I'm not gonna go for any time limit. I'm gonna just go as long as possible. All right, so this is the plan of action. So if our goal is to stop smoking today, I think it is a valid decision that we smoke everything we have, we go get a little bit more, and enjoy 420. And then more than likely after she gets done work at around maybe 3-4, we'll go get the rest of the bud. And then that's when we're gonna actually enjoy the rest of the day. For the most part, it's still early, but after I get done from that though, after I'm done smoking, I'm gonna head back to the crib, start editing this vlog, start doing all the little things that need to be done, so that when I actually go get her, we can just get some food, and I can actually just record and enjoy the rest of my Saturday. So let's get that done. That's why I need to be a legal weed dealer. Come to the dispensary. I'll have a tutorial. If you just come in, we'll teach you how to get your license. I'm gonna set them up. Now that's how you do it for real. If you could get the people that buy weed anyway to get it legally somehow, set them up. That's a good business. For real, watching the video right here, Rita Dono, I think I said it right, but he said, don't you think stop smoking weed will help you grow? And I said, won't know till I try. And that was about 4 hours ago. That was even before we had the idea of stopping smoking. So low key, kind of manifested it, bro. But I also wanted to touch on this topic right here, Glory. He's in our VIP session, and basically he was just talking about how he's planning on moving out of state. He's coming to Florida in a couple months. And I just wanted to touch on this topic because if you guys didn't know, if you didn't watch my first video, not my first video, but if you didn't watch my Chick-fil-A video on how I changed my life in 4 years with day trading, I basically talked on how I started day trading when I was 17. And when I was 19, I moved to Florida. I moved to Tampa by myself. First time getting a car, first time having car payments, first time having rent, first time like having to buy groceries, having to cook, having to do everything myself. I also got a dog, so I had to learn about having a dog, got into a relationship, so I had to learn all of these things. Plus, understanding myself, understanding how to be a better entrepreneur, how to be a good trader, how to be productive with my time. I learned a lot of things, but to moral of the story, I just wanted to say that it was one of the best decisions in my life. I knew what I was putting myself into. I was purposely putting my back against the wall because I knew I needed to put myself in an environment that was going to be uncomfortable. I needed to put myself in an environment that growing was the only option. If my back is against the wall like this, I have nothing but what's in front of me. I can't go nowhere but what's in front of me. And that's how you got to do it sometimes. Sometimes when you're like me, I have parents that they would take care of me if they could. But I don't want to allow that. I know I want more than that. And you should be the same way. I'm grateful for the parents that I have, and you should be grateful for yours. But at the end of the day, if they're holding you back, if they're going to not allow you to be at your full potential, then you just got to go on your own, and that's perfectly fine. Worst comes to worst, then you end up having to go back with them or just have to be a normal human and work a job. But the worst case scenario is some people's best case scenario. Just keep that in mind. People like us, we don't think like other people. If you're watching this video right now, if you watch self-improvement, if you watch day trading content, if you're a day trader, more than likely you're the type of person that wants to work for themselves. You're the type of person that wants to be bigger. You don't want to be average. At the end of the day, you fear being average, and that's the moral of the story at the end of the day. While we're here, I guess we can go into, talk about more stuff. We got one person that joined VIP today. Shout out to you. I'm not sure what your name was exactly. It was earlier this morning. He joined right before the session. Right here. Nivik, congratulations, my boy. Welcome to the team. You won't regret it. And he was able to take advantage of the session already from today. So that's good. But he was able to get in for the promo. So if you go back to other videos, you can find the promo. I'm not putting it in this one, but if you go back, you can find it. But it's usually $50 a month. He got in for $25 and locked it in. So congratulations, Brody. And I also wanted to show you guys that I just started another challenge. So I'm going for another one. As you can see, I'm going to be going for another one. This is an account that I'm not necessarily going to be showing you guys all the trades, just because it doesn't make sense for me to show you multiple different accounts. Now I'm just going to be showing you guys mainly when I trade the funded account. And then this one I'm also going to be trying to pass so that I can get another funded account to try to merge the two accounts while I'm trying to get the 30 days combined on the other account. So it just makes sense. I'm going to be going for it, but I'll keep you guys updated when I pass it, when I do all of that stuff with this one too. But I already showed you guys the process of me passing a challenge and everything. The activation, I did the whole process. There's no need for me to just keep re-showing it. The main thing you guys want to focus now is actually getting the skill set of trading itself, being able to understand the market itself, being able to understand yourself as a trader, as an entrepreneur, as a person that is going to be needed to be built to be successful as a trader. Because you can know everything about the market, but if you're not where you need to be when it comes to mindset, when it comes to knowledge, you're not going to be successful. To end off 420, right, Luna? Yeah, we about to roll it all up. Ideally, we won't be having no weed tomorrow to smoke. There won't be no weed. It'll all be gone tonight. That's why we're rolling it all right now. But I gotta get this vlog out, and by the time this is all rolled up, it's gonna be damn near 12 o'clock. How long this is taking, but if you want to learn to trade, make sure you check out the free course. If you want to actually trade with the team live, if you want to actually take my trades, take the team's trades, and trade with a community of like-minded individuals, make sure you join the VIP Trading Network. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for what's tomorrow, Sunday? I'll see you guys Sunday.